Oh! We're not doing a glizzy cakes this week?
That's why I had all my life.
That's okay, because we're doing steaks out in a winter storm. It's gonna be badass. Stay tuned. We're on our way to Walmart, and then a grocery store, and then a package store, and you can't see me. There we go. It's a little bit better. And then maybe to grab our good, glorious friend Nick Zarvis. Yeah, he ain't coming. Porterhouse. It's not a bad price either. Look at the tenderloin on that sucker.
Oh, that's not a bad price at all.
$11. I'll take the seasonings. Put some salmon seasoning on it. Why is this one the only one that they changed? You stepped on me. Steak and chop? What's that mean? Why would you make the label so shiny? I can't read it. Like, you can't read the ingredients. Then it's not meant for you. So many options. Garlic and herb, no salt seasonings? No, that's steakhouse.
Not just any taco blend.
Hot honey?
The taco blend.
The taco blend. Pigeon. Garlic butter. I'm just gonna get the go-to. I think I'm good. Oh, we're all liquored up. Got the meat. It's starting to snow outside. You can kind of see. We are ready for the snow adventure. Wow.
Dales.
That was so much action. It was action-packed. I said it was action-packed. Woo! That little dinky thing. Oh, dude. Dude. We should have been doing video with the phones this whole time. It's fucking daytime. Oh, dude. Look at them over there, Goombas. As the wild Mr. Miller tends to the fire, you can only wonder what he may be thinking about as a seasoning for his steak. It looks like Mr. Miller will be using the smokehouse maple, or the natural flame flavor.
All natural, baby.
All natural. Oh.
No, the fucking great.
Well, why'd it do that?
The steak on that really well right now.
Oh, yeah.
It'll probably stick to it, just melt right through.
Can't even see it.
Throw some Dale on it.
Zombie ice.
Something came up.
Oh, and Mr. Miller's drinking a Dale's.
All Dale IPA, Dave.
Oh, fuck. You gotta try that. That's really good.
Yeah, it's a little more sweeter than that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is.
I kind of want to try the zombie dust now.
Tastes like dust.
Tastes like shit, ruins it.
Yeah, the Brett.
It tasted
Oh
like
my
absolute
God.
shit. Had a fight to drink.
The fucking Brett beer. Oh, we were so pumped for it.
It was so bad.
Sour.
It tasted like earth, but feet. Like if the ground had feet all the time.
I wonder if that's what it was supposed to taste
like shit.
Time to season this and get it on the grill. Do it the YouTube way. Smokehouse Maper.
And that one's mine.
Daddy don't like that at all. Mm-hmm. Oh, I forgot to take the diaper off. Oh, yeah. Uh-oh.
I'm gonna let those sweat.
I'm gonna sweat some of that seasoning into it.
Oh yeah. It's last sear.
Wait, shine your light. Oh yeah, look at those fucking steaks,
Look at the
man.
glimmer shimmering.
Mmm, glimmer shimmers. Goddamn smoke.
I like eggs. Gelatinous meat, baby.
It's winking at me. It wants me to. I know, it wants me to. It's all wet for me. You know who you remind me of? You kind of remind me of Tim Robinson when he was in the hot dog suit. With the hood on. Santa Claus. Pornhub.
X-Tube.
What was he even talking about?
He was trying to distract him. Fuck you, you piece of shit. Oh, watch out for my beer. You're so close to my beer.
Pass out for a second. That's a good fucking steak. The brats that me and my dad made.
Oh my god.
Holy fuck, man.
The steak is so fucking good. Me and Mr. Miller had to stand up.
I should turn off the light.
Ugh.
Yeah, for some reason, if you've never done it before, steak cooked specifically in a snowstorm. Now, there's two different kind of snow steaks. There's one that you cook when it's not storming, and then there's the one that you cook when it's storming.
Can you just pull out your phone and show what time it is right now, just so everybody can realize how good Samsung cameras are? Wait, where's your time, dude?
Anyways, winter steaks, two different kinds. They're both really good, but for some reason, the one when it's snowing is even better than any steak you'll ever
You know
make
what?
outside.
I think the snowflakes season it.
Yeah.
Each snowflake, as it trickles down onto it, has its own seasonings that it sprinkles as it dies.
I'm clearly not kidding.
I can't
I
do
feel
this
brat
with a...
inside of me right now.
I don't understand
Oh no!
how to navigate.
Oh no, my bear! Yeah. Jeez, if I didn't know any breader, if I didn't know any breader, I would have thought this would have been early morning steak you're eating there, Mr. Miller. Oh yeah. You can't see that, but it's there.
Somehow it's buttered.
I know.
I think there's butter in there too.
Tiny piece of meat, but it is. Really
Oh yeah, the tenderloin.
All that is juice.
Kind of want one more.
Actually, I don't even know. You barely even eat yours.
There we go. Oh my god.
Great flavor.
That was a good Tommy Hawk. Little baby Tommy. I gave my scraps to Mr. Miller.
Yeah, I'm a dog.
Oh my god, my beer! Oh fuck, he's got a horsey.
Horse meat. I'm riding cowboy.
He's riding him.
Fucking hot.
My beer! Just kidding. Hot! Oh my god. Oh my god.
We'll have our hit single, Brat Boy. I'm a brat boy. I'm a fart in my pants boy.
Put your bro in my slap.
Wait, come back.
So I'm wearing the same shirt. You can't tell, but I just had to wipe my face and my handsies on my napkin that I wear.
Yeah, remember guys. Remember that. Meat mackin'.
Yeah, it's gonna be really fucking hot.
I smuggled so many lobster out of Price Chopper back in the
Was
day.
it?
We had full intention of saving it, but then nobody wanted to save it. So I ended up in Dillon's bathtub for an hour or two, and then we were like, well, it's gonna die, so boiled some water and we cooked it. And then I remember I put the head of it as like a penis shell. It was like a penis helmet. Poor little guy. I would never do that now.
How many brats come in the pack? 6? So we'd have to fight over one. We wouldn't be able to split it 4 ways because that's just, it's not ethical. Who's that gonna feed?
Joseph swings wild.
Did you even put it away? Yeah, just zips it up.
Yeah.
His asshole is 36 years old. He's got a 36-year-old butthole.
Disgusting. Dude, you should shave your balls.
What does that have to do with anything?
I've been watching.
I'm a brat boy. I'm a brat boy. Put your brat in my slot, boy. Slide it in and I'm a fuck boy. Ooh, I'm a fuck boy. Ooh, I'm a fart in my pants, boy. I'm a brat boy. I'm a brat boy. Put your brat in my slot, boy. Slide it in and I'm a fuck boy. Baby brat boy. Spill your hot cheese on my tummy, boy. Let it get hard and use it as a busty toy.